Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Dan Rock, and in today's video I want to talk to you about the hill starts on a motorcycle. And the one I have is a 2023 Honda Rebel 500, and I haven't been posting for a while. It's been about 3 weeks now. I've been practicing really hard to run a full marathon and half marathon. The full marathon I had in Cincinnati, Ohio, and then a week later I ran a half marathon. So if you into running, check out my other channel. I'm gonna put it into the description of this video. I'm gonna show you how I do the hill starts on my bike. I know everybody's different, everybody's got their own technique, but I'm gonna show you the one that works for me, and I use it every time I'm on a hill at the stoplight or the stop sign. So let's jump on this bike and show you how I do it. So first of all, when you put the bike on a uphill or downhill, you have to put the bike into the first gear so it doesn't roll forward or backwards. Okay, I'm in the first gear. I'm gonna hold the clutch, don't let it go. Right now I'm holding my leg on the rear brake, my right hand on the throttle right here, and just hold my leg on the rear brake and just chill at the light. Okay, if I'm on uphill or downhill. When I'm ready to go, I'm gonna slowly release the clutch into the friction zone until I feel the bike is ready to pull and ready to go. And I'm gonna give some throttle, a little bit of throttle, and depending on how steep the hill is, and then release the front brake. Okay, so let me demonstrate. So I'm slowly releasing the clutch into the friction zone, giving some throttle, and letting the brake go. And here we go. All right, you want to see one more time? Okay, one more time. This is fun, going downhill backwards. I have a good balance. Okay, so let's do it again. All right, so I'm gonna let the clutch go off into the friction zone, give gas, and release the brake. So watch me do it. That's it. That is that simple. Let me put it in neutral. But that's how you start your bike on the hill. Okay, easy to do. It just takes a little bit of practice. So if you have a bike, get on your bike, get into the parking lot where there is nobody and there is a hill, and start practicing. Stop avoiding those hills like I was, because I would stall, I would roll back, which can be kind of scary. Okay, especially if the car parks right behind you. Okay, so practice, practice, practice. Leave a comment below this video, let me know if it was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.